For 100 years. The advice was simple. Go to school. Get a degree. Get a safe job. But that advice is now expired. The artificial intelligence revolution is not coming. It is already here. Goldman Sachs predicts that AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs. And it's not just factory workers this time. It is doctors, lawyers, and programmers. No one is safe. In this video, we are counting down the 10 jobs most likely to disappear by 2026. Is your career on the list? Let's find out. Number 10. Customer service agents. Chatbots used to be stupid, but tools like ChatGPT can now answer questions instantly. 24 hours a day. For free. Number 9. Drivers. Taxi drivers and truck drivers. With Tesla's self-driving technology and Waymo taxis already on the road, the human driver is becoming an expensive liability. Number 8. Data entry clerks. If your job involves moving data from one spreadsheet to another, you are in trouble. AI can process this data instantly with 0 errors. Number 7. Graphic designers. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can generate logos, posters, and art in seconds. The entry-level designer is being wiped out. Number 6. Translators. Why hire a human translator when AI can translate video and text in real time? Into 80 languages? The accuracy is scary. Now we enter the danger zone. High-paid jobs. Number 5. Content writers. ChatGPT can write blogs, emails, and scripts faster than any human. The demand for average writers has crashed. Number 4. Accountants and bookkeepers. Math is what computers do best. AI can now analyze financial records and do taxes automatically. Number 3. Paralegals and junior lawyers. Scanning thousands of legal documents used to take weeks. AI can do it in seconds. Law firms are already cutting staff. Number 2. Computer programmers. This is controversial, but AI tools like GitHub Copilot can now write code. We won't need coders. We will need AI managers. And number 1. Teachers. Not all teachers, but the traditional lecturer. Why listen to an average teacher when an AI tutor can customize the lesson specifically for you? So, who is safe? The manual trades. Plumbers, electricians, carpenters. Robots are still terrible at fixing a leaky pipe in a tight space. The future belongs to those who learn to use AI, not those who fight it. If you want to learn how to survive this shift, make sure to subscribe. Next week, we reveal the skills you need to learn to get rich in the AI era. Thanks for watching.